How to fix file not opening on iPhone. So if you want to fix your file is not opening on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you just need simply swipe up from the bottom, and here you will have your files application. Just completely remove the files application from your background. Now open your files application again, and it might fix your problem. If not, then let's move on. If you don't have enough storage available, then you might face such kind of problems. So let's go to the settings application and then scroll down a bit and go with general. Under general, you need to go with iPhone storage, and from here you need to make sure that you have at least 5 to 10 GB of storage available. You can find apps that are completely useless and just simply tap on them and simply select a delete app or uninstall the application that you don't use. Once you delete the unnecessary apps, you can also go back and offload the application that you cannot delete. For example, like if you are not being able to delete the iCloud drive, then you can just simply go back and then offload the application. Once you've offloaded, you need to again go and reinstall and your problem might be fixed. So go with the files application, offload it, and again reinstall. And in this way, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.